To link Klarna returns, start by logging into your Klarna account. This will give you access to your order history and allow you to initiate the return process. Once logged in, navigate to the Orders section and find the specific order you want to return. Then click on the order to view its details. In the Order Details page, look for the Return option. This is usually labeled as Return or Initiate Return. Click on this option to start the return process. You will then be prompted to select the items you want to return. Choose the items and the reason for the return. After selecting the items and reason for return, you will be given the option to print a return shipping label. This label is prepaid and allows you to ship the items back to the merchant at no cost to you. Print the label and attach it to the outside of the return package, making sure to include all the items you are returning. Once you have shipped the return package, Klarna will send you an email with instructions on how to track the status of your return. You can also track the status of your return by logging into your Klarna account and navigating to the Orders section. It is essential to note that Klarna returns are subject to the merchant's return policy. So before initiating a return, make sure to review the merchant's return policy to ensure you are eligible for a return. Additionally, make sure to keep a record of your return, including the return tracking number and any communication with the merchant or Klarna. By following these steps, you can easily link Klarna returns and initiate the process of returning unwanted items. Remember to always review the merchant's return policy and keep a record of your return to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.